So, I've been trying to figure out how to put this into words for a while and trying to find a way to convey just how much you being here really means to me. And after thinking about this for hours, I still don't quite know how to exactly express what I'm feeling. So, instead, I will share a personal story of when your support really hit me and when I really truly felt it on the deepest level. So when this channel started about 8 years ago, life was simple. I had just finished graduating and I made this crazy choice to follow my dreams, be a game developer, and share everything I learned with you guys here on YouTube, and do it all for free. Now financially, I just knew it was a terrible idea, and in fact, at that time, I had a pretty comfy job as a web designer for a good company. But I went ahead and chose the path of the starving artist because that's what I really wanted to do. It was the best chance I had to help people avoid the mistakes I made years before. And for almost 5 years, making next to nothing on YouTube because despite what everyone says, you really don't make that much on YouTube. Not unless you're averaging millions of views every video, and we definitely weren't doing that. But for all those years when I was really not making anything, literally the only thing keeping me alive each month was the support from you guys here. My fondest memory of you is when I was adding each of your names into the credits of the last project we did, Macrophage, and I had to manually type every one of your names into the Unity UI system because that was the only way to get it to line up correctly. And it was the most humbling experience of my entire life, knowing that every one of these names I typed literally kept my lights on and kept me from starving to death this whole time. You have no idea how undeservedly lucky and blessed that I felt during that time, and how proud I was to put each of your names into the game under the credits as sponsors. And as someone who's just barely gotten by, and who understands just how hard it is to make even a little bit of money, the fact that this many people entrusted me with their hard-earned time and resources, it was simply just the most humbling and inspiring experience of my entire life. And now, 1,100 videos and 200,000 subs later, honestly just kind of feels like a miracle, seeing how far we've come. And I hope you guys understand and feel just how big of a difference you've made, not just for me, but for all the people that we've helped. 38 million views, probably millions of hours saved for people all around the world, and none of it would have happened without you. And I am forever thankful to have had you here by my side throughout this crazy journey. And you have my word that I'm going to take this miracle and share it with as many people as possible and do the best that I can to just make this shot count. Thank you for everything. And as always, I hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll see you around.